Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I hope that you are having a wonderful week. Today I want to get back into one of my favorite brands, and that is Woosh Beauty. So if you don't know about Woosh Beauty, I would highly recommend going and checking out their website. This is a brand that is literally dedicated to making makeup as easy to apply as possible. And I will tag some of my previous videos that I've done on their products in this one so that you can go and check those out. They should be showing up somewhere here. But seriously, go and check this brand out. It is so freaking cool. One of the very first products that I reviewed from Woosh Beauty was the fold out face palette, and I was a fan immediately after I tried this palette. I thought it was such a wonderful concept. It was just perfect, quite frankly. I really love it. This is a palette that I take with me when I travel because it is so freaking easy. And you know, the great thing about Woosh Beauty is that they're always finding ways to improve their products. Like right now, this product that I got is not refillable, but they actually changed their product design to make it refillable. So this is awesome. You just buy it once, and then when the product is over, you can replace those, you know, specific products, and you can mix and match with whatever shade you want, which means that the palette has become even more versatile, and I really love that. So I just wanted to let you know about this brand because it's fantastic. And the good thing about Woosh is that they've actually come out with some new products, and this one is a mascara, and I can't wait to get into it. They've actually sent me the box. It's right over here, and I just want to open it and, you know, see what's inside. So your beauty routine just got a lot easier. Yep, that is essentially Woosh Beauty. This is very true to their motto and everything else about them. It's such a fantastic brand, honestly. I really love the concept behind Woosh, and that's the reason why I talk about it so much on here. I do have a code with them, so if you want to pick the products up or anything up from Woosh, use that because you'll get a discount. So yeah, this is the package. We're just going to open it and see what they've sent. Oh, wow. Oh, okay, so I wasn't expecting so many things. I thought it was just going to be a mascara. Okay, so the first thing, so this entire video is obviously about trying out the mascara. It's in the color black, and it is called Like Magic. So this is the product right over here. Let's open it and see what it looks like inside. This is it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the fact that they went with pink. I really do. I love this. This is gorgeous. Oh, wow. I'm actually excited to try this. It is such a pretty packaging. I'm kind of obsessed already without even trying it. So this is what the mascara looks like. Looks like it's kind of thicker in the center, and maybe that's gonna help with getting more products. Yeah, I think it's actually, yeah, that's fascinating. I'm just gonna put that back in, and then we'll try it out in a bit. I just want to see what else they've sent me. So they sent me the mascara shield. So I already have a mascara shield because I did work with Woosh before, and they sent me a mascara shield. Even back then they sent me like different tools, and this is a really nice product, especially if you're in a rush and you don't have time to, you know, be thinking about how you're applying your mascara. You just put that shield over there, and essentially it protects your eyeshadow or your eyes from getting mascara on, you know, onto that. So yeah, this is a really good product, and I'm grateful that I have another one. They have also sent me a lip gloss. So they have lip glosses with spinning tips so that the product literally just all gets onto your mouth, and it's, again, a really cool design. And they've also sent me, oh, how kind, I love this. They have sent me a Woosh Beauty makeup box, makeup purse. It's so nice. I love this because I have so many Woosh Beauty products, and I kind of like categorizing my makeup according to brand sometimes, and I could totally just put all my brushes into this. So that's fantastic. And I love that it's like iridescent. I love this. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Before I put on the mascara, I do want to do a makeup look because I think that this will just kind of enhance my lashes. So I'm going to begin by using the Woosh Beauty face palette, and this is the old version. So like I said before, now you can actually replace all of this. So I'm just going to be using those eyeshadows that you can see in that corner over there. There is even a base. The first thing I'm going to be doing is going in with that base and just kind of putting it onto my eyes. So yeah, you can see what that base actually looks like, and now I'm going to go in with that black shade, and this is supposed to be a lining shade, but I kind of like it even as a eyeshadow. So yeah, this is kind of like a very rounded kind of eye look, and as you can see, the inner corners are kind of like my skin color. So I'm just going to go in with a bit more base to kind of lighten that up a bit and just take it towards the black because I don't want the black coming all the way in. I'm going to add on some blush now because as you can see they have contours, they have blush. Today I'm not using the Woosh Beauty brush. I'm just going to go in with, you know, another brush that I have and lightly contour my skin. And for me this is really just warming up my skin because I don't really contour my skin all the time. But with Woosh, I kind of feel like that's part and parcel of their makeup. So today I don't need foundation because I went in with a different brand for my foundation, and that would be Nihal & Co. So I don't actually have to apply foundation. That's why my skin's looking so freaking good. I'm obsessed with that brand at the moment. Okay, let's add on the other contouring shade. So that would be the white one. I'm going to use that over here. I'm just going to stamp it into this area just to kind of brighten it up. I just love this. Honestly, as an everyday look, you could just do this and this would literally be enough. It is so perfect for everyday looks. And that's why I cannot emphasize how much I love taking this with me on holiday. When you're in a hurry, you can do your makeup in the car with just one product. Essentially, take this face palette with you, sit in the car, do your makeup, and you never have to worry about anything. And I'm so happy that I have this because that's exactly what I do, you know, especially when I'm running late. I grab my face palette and I just use it. Okay, so let's go in with the mascara, which is obviously the star of today's, you know, video, and I can't wait. I'm so excited about this. This is another look at that mascara. You can see that it's thin when I move it this way, but then it looks thicker in this lighting over here. So I'm very curious to see how this is actually going to look on my eyelashes. Let's put some mascara on here. I'm not going to be using the mascara shield because personally I'm not in a rush and I don't really need it. So we're just going to start by applying. So you can obviously see the difference. This is the side with the mascara. This has no mascara, and that's just one coat. I'm going to try and add a bit more just to see how thick I can get my lashes to look with this. I'm pretty impressed with the way that my lashes are looking right now. I feel like it does look quite thick. And you can see there's a clear difference between this eye and that eye. Alright, so this is basically what my face looks like with mascara on both sides. I'm just going to go in with some blush and I'm just going to apply that right over here. Oh my goodness, I actually forgot how much I loved Woosh Beauty's blush. I haven't used the blush from the face palette in a really long time and I feel like I really should have because this looks amazing. You can just see how freaking amazing this one palette is, and then you add on some of those additional products like the mascara and, you know, the lip gloss and everything, and you're essentially getting the entire package. I'm a fan of the mascara. I think it looks amazing. You know, if I just zoom in, you can definitely see what my eyes are looking like and how that mascara is showing up. This is just like a few coats. I think that for me, I would add eyeliner to this if I was going out. This is more than sufficient for going out. It's a very nice, natural, everyday look. And, you know, you can see how that blush kind of just, it kind of goes into the skin. Like I did put a bit more on my face because I wanted that color to show up on the camera. And, you know, you can see that it looks really nice. Like this needs to be blended out a bit, but not too worried because, you know, over time the blush will, you know, kind of just melt into your skin kind of thing. And then they have a shimmer as well. So I think I'm just going to add a teeny weeny shimmer right over here. And I'm now going to just add on a lip gloss. This is a Nomad lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. So this is basically the final look with the mascara and everything. So how did I feel about the mascara? I really love the color of it and I wanted to match my lipstick to the product because I thought it was so freaking pretty. I think it's a good mascara. I like the way that my lashes are looking. This is with 3 coats. This is with 2 coats. I could go in with one more if you want to see what that's gonna look like. I don't really feel like I need it though. I've never really been like a heavy mascara kind of person. but you can see what that's gonna look like. I don't feel like this is getting clumpy by any means. It feels like it's just, you know, doing what it's meant to do. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty happy with the way that it's worked, and I think that it's a good mascara. And I think that, you know, if you are looking to try an easy brand, something that's really fun, Woosh is definitely a brand that I would recommend. I just love how easy it is, you know, for travel, for last minute makeup. It's just one of my favorite go-to brands. Like, I really love Woosh. I want to show some of the products that have come out recently, aside from the mascara, which is, you know, obviously the newest and why I did this video, but they also have a full on complexion refillable makeup palette. So this is like a smaller version of the face palette that I already showed you. It doesn't have the blush inside, and I got it in a medium. So this is even more convenient, because if you are, you know, just looking to carry something small in your bag, you could easily carry this. It's like a wallet. It reminds me of a wallet. And you can see the products that are inside. It's just that and that. So easy, so simple. Anybody could carry this around and use it with ease. So that's one of their products. And then they have, you know, a ton of brushes, and I really love Woosh's brushes as well. I think they're fascinating. So this one over here has like a curve, as you can see, and on the other side it's got that edge. And then this is another brush which has that edge, and this side is so freaking cool. It looks like a V, and this is actually used to stamp V's onto either side of your eyes to create shapes. If you're, you know, someone who finds it difficult to do that, you're going to get an even V on either side, and I think that's so cool. And then this is another brush that they sent to me. And you get a brush, by the way, with the fold out face palette as well, the bigger one, not the smaller one that I showed you, because it's essentially made for travel. So this is another brush that they sent over, and I like keeping it in the packaging. This is, you know, for the foundation essentially. Alright, so thank you for joining me for this Woosh Beauty unboxing, and, you know, just going and checking out all their products and, you know, the new mascara and everything. I'm definitely excited to see new products from Woosh. I love the brand. I feel like they have definitely been a game changer, and this brand needs more hype. Like, I wish more people knew about Woosh. So if you want to pick up any of the products, remember to use my code, because you can get some money off. And I hope that this video has been helpful for you, you know, especially if you've been someone who's been looking into Woosh and you weren't sure about whether you wanted to get it or not. You can see what you can accomplish with this particular, you know, brand. I think I am going to change the color of the lip gloss. It just feels a bit too pink right now. I think I'm going to go for a more neutral shade. But anyway, the point is that this is, you know, really, really awesome, and I love Woosh. So I wanted to share that with you. Thank you for joining me on Colourful Indian. I'll see you soon for another video, and I hope that this has been helpful for you. Let me know if you're going to be picking up any of these products, and you know, what you thought of that mascara. You know, is this a yay or a nay for you? Because, you know, I really don't wear mascaras all that much, but after I tried it out, I kind of liked it, and I can say that my eyes don't feel irritated. Like lately, after getting that skin condition, some products that I've been using on my eyes have really been irritating me like crazy, and I kind of feel like this didn't. It actually felt really comfortable, really nice. I didn't feel like there's any particles getting into my eye or anything like that. So I really, really liked my overall experience, you know, just trying on the old Woosh products and the new. So yeah, I'll see you soon for another video. Lots of love to you, and I hope that you have a fun time wooshing.